dog think he's doing? Is he getting a tan? You're fine. He's outside. He's okay. Is that your puppy? Oh, say hi, Edmund. Say, I want to play with you. What are you doing, cutie?